ATV Storm, a homemade beast that defies terrain. Meet the ATV Storm, a custom-built all-terrain vehicle that's already proven itself in a series of tough tests. Under the hood, it runs on a Peugeot 116 cubic-inch turbo diesel engine, paired with Sobol axles and massive 1,500 by 500 low-pressure tires borrowed from a front-end loader. The result? A rugged machine that's surprisingly fast, both on land and on water. In fact, it's so quick across the surface that one commenter joked, "It looks like it's about to start planing. It's raw, it's powerful, and it's turning heads with its DIY brilliance." Leica Tiger rugged Russian power on tracks. Built in Russia, the Leica Tiger tracked off-road vehicle is designed for hunters, anglers, and thrill seekers who aren't afraid to push the limits. This beast is made for mud, snow, swamps, and yes, it floats on water too. What really stands out is its unique upper body, crafted from durable HDP plastic. It even includes a smart evacuation feature in case of a rollover. Weighing around 4,409 pounds, it comfortably seats 4 passengers and reaches speeds of up to 37 miles per hour. While many admire its bold and functional design, others question its real-world practicality. Still, the Leica Tiger is a true go-anywhere, do-anything machine for serious off-road adventures. Jeep Bob Concept, Moab's off-road beast. Every year, Moab, Utah becomes the ultimate playground for off-road enthusiasts during the Easter Jeep Safari, and Jeep never disappoints. Among the 7 rugged builds brought to this year's event is the bold Jeep Bob Concept. Based on the Jeep Gladiator Rubicon, this beast has been trimmed down in length, pushing its massive 40-inch wheels to the very corners for extreme off-road stance. Ground clearance? Boosted by 3 inches. The hardtop is gone, replaced with a rugged canvas roof, and the doors have been completely removed for that open-air freedom. Under the hood? A powerful V6 turbo diesel engine with 183 cubic inches of raw performance. Sadly, this model won't hit production lines, but let's be honest, plenty of off-road fans would love to get their hands on this monster. MT-LBu, Russia's heavy-duty off-road titan. Here's another rugged all-terrain vehicle straight out of Russia, the MT-LBu, one of the most in-demand off-road machines for transport companies and remote operations. Built to handle the harshest environments, it moves effortlessly through snow, swamps, and even water, cruising at 4 miles per hour on water surfaces. With a massive payload capacity of 9,921 pounds, and towing ability of up to 14,330 pounds, it's made for serious hauling. Inside, the MT-LBU offers seating for 8 in the cockpit and 12 more in the cabin. Powering this beast is a 310 horsepower YAM-Z 238BL1 engine. The best part? You can get it in various configurations, newly assembled or refurbished decommissioned units tailored to your needs. Starting price: around $75,450. Chevrolet Silverado. Off-road concept. Chevrolet isn't staying quiet. They unleashed their off-road monster, the Chevrolet Beast, at the SEMA show in Las Vegas. Based on a Chevrolet Silverado, this concept fuses aggressive, military-inspired design with high-performance racing components. Under the hood, it packs a 378 cubic-inch LT4 engine, cranking out a massive 660 horsepower. The suspension system has been fully re-engineered, offering 13.6 inches of ground clearance, with 12 inches of travel up front and 15.5 inches in the rear. built to dominate any terrain. Inside, the driver and 3 passengers are locked in with Recaro racing seats and 4-point harnesses, ready for high-speed off-road action. Venturi Antarctica, the first electric vehicle on the South Pole. Meet the Venturi Antarctica, the world's first fully electric polar exploration vehicle, now in active service near the South Pole. Built by Monaco-based EV pioneer Venturi, known for breaking electric speed records and racing in Formula E, this groundbreaking machine was developed specifically for polar research. It's currently operating at Belgium's Princess Elizabeth Antarctica Station, marking a major milestone, the first electric vehicle ever deployed in Antarctica. Measuring 3.4 meters long and 2.18 meters high, the Antarctica weighs 2.5 tons and can transport 6 people plus equipment. The front cabin seats 2, while the modular rear includes 4 folding seats, perfect for researchers on the move. Built for extreme conditions. Powered by zero emissions. This is the future of exploration. ATLAS ATV, go anywhere. Conquer everything. Great news for fans of the legendary ATLAS ATV. The newly restyled model is now available for order, and it's just as unstoppable as ever. Designed to handle anything you throw at it, the ATLAS easily traverses swamps, deep snow, and even water. On land, it reaches speeds of up to 37 miles per hour, and on water, it cruises at 4 miles per hour. Despite weighing over 1,500 pounds, it carries a payload of 307 pounds with ease. Inside, it's surprisingly spacious, seating up to 12 passengers with enough room to install a stretcher if needed. Whether you're heading into the wild or handling emergencies, the Atlas adapts to your mission. And the best part? It's simple to drive. If you've got basic driving experience, you're ready to handle the Atlas with no problem.